Yeah, I feel like this is like a high school experiment.
We don't eat sauce and you don't drink sauce, so.
Who else doesn't just snack on barbecue sauce?
I drink that every day.
Everybody keeps interrupting me. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Nikoletta and today we are going to be doing a grocery haul with a bunch of snacks. They are ranging from generic and ungeneric. Me and my brother went to Target and we just bought a whole bunch of things. So without further ado. Okay. Pick a snack first.
Oreos.
Okay. So on the bottom of every plate is a sticky note that says yes or no, and the yes one means it's more expensive and the no is the generic version. So here we are. Here are the two things. All right, so you eat that one first.
All of them?
No, just one.
Oh, you're no fun.
Don't tell me your answer because I don't want to be like influenced by which one.
I think this calls for a best 2 out of 3, like rock, paper, scissors.
Oh. Can you save me one, please? Okay. Which one do you think it was?
This one?
You think it was that one? Why?
No, like.
Which one is the generic and which one's the expensive one?
This is the generic.
Why?
Wasn't a sugary.
Wasn't it sugary? True. I feel like this one has like more fluff to it as well.
Oh, I got the devil stuff, so.
The what?
I got the devil stuff ones.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. So I think that kind of like gives it away. I got the Oreos on the second one.
Right.
So we were both right. Okay. I just want to do the water next because I need to like clean this out of my mouth. Here's 1 cup.
Wait, are we drinking from the same cup? I don't think that's approved by the FDA or the C. No, the CDC.
All right. So 2 cups of water. 1 is bottled and 1 is tapped. Can we tell the difference?
It smells like water.
Okay. Turn the cup around. Well, this one is significantly like warmer on that one, but I feel like it tastes cleaner. I'm gonna have to try this again.
Almost set. I think that one on the left hand.
This one?
Yeah, I think it tastes better, but I also do know it's like the tap.
I think this one is better. I think the one on my right hand. All right, so George, me. Oh, George won.
Classic. Not the Coke.
Which one do you want to do next? The Pop-Tarts?
The pop.
We have here 2 Pop-Tarts. Show them. Oh no.
Oh, that's yours.
Well, you're gonna have to eat it too. Okay, I'm just gonna, show them. Here's 1.
Contaminating my food by the second.
Oops. And here's the second one. Okay. So.
I'll take a piece from it. I'm supposed to break it off.
I'm not gonna eat the whole thing.
That's not what I meant. I meant like dry.
So this one's like, it tastes like a cookie, and it's fudgy in the middle, and there's like a chocolate drizzle, but I feel like it doesn't look like a clean chocolate drizzle. It looks like it was just kind of slapped on. But I do like this one. What flavor do we buy this one in?
Maple brown sugar.
I don't even like maple brown sugar, so why am I gonna be able to like taste the difference? We got a lot of snacks that I don't like, actually. The cookie on this is like harder.
Well, if you want to come to a consensus, I think the maple brown sugar one, it tasted almost as if it was stale.
It does taste stale.
Yeah.
It sounds like, it tastes like stiff and gross.
Really gross, it was just kind of like
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Yeah.
This is what the maple one looks like.
Aged Pop-Tart.
Yes, it's like an aged Pop-Tart. Okay,
So which
so
one's which?
Which one do you think is better?
The chocolate drizzle.
And chocolate drizzle, I agree. Okay. Oh, this one's more expensive. The crappy one is more expensive. Well.
So you don't get what you pay for.
Yep, so consensus pump tarts actually beat whatever brand that one is.
Let's do the pretzels.
Okay, I'll do the pretzels. So now we have 2 sets of pretzels. We have these ones and these ones. I think one is peanut butter and one is jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Okay, which one do you want first?
The jalapeno.
The jalapeno. Okay, the jalapeno. Not a huge fan of it. Oh, this one's like, it like rattles on the inside.
Some more like that.
Oh, my peanut butter like fell out. And it's like a little ball of peanut butter, it fell out. Kind of bready, could use a little more salt. I think the fact that the peanut butter actually fell out makes the pretzel taste a little bit better. Did you leave me with all the bad ones? Is that what? Okay, jalapeno.
And your keepers will just be good.
Oh, these are good. These jalapeno ones are really good. I kind of want to eat the rest of the bag now. They're kind of like orangey and spicy. Oh, okay. Oh, the jalapeno ones are cheaper.
Man, kind of like both equally.
The peanut butter ones, I guess, are more expensive. All right, you want to do the granolas?
Yeah.
Okay. And here we have 2 granola bars. And I will get a butter. Can you not put your feet near the food, please?
It's not.
We have 2 of them here, back on their respective plates. Pick one.
Take this one.
Okay. There's more granola than there are chocolate chips on this one. Sticky. It's mostly granola.
This one has more chocolate.
Does it? Oh yeah, the chips are bigger.
Not switch.
Okay. This one looks a little darker. This one's a little darker. It looks like more caramelized. Did we get caramel? Or is it just chocolate chip? I think it's just chocolate chip.
I like this one better. That one like feels stiff.
Yeah, this one's more dense.
That one's probably the cheaper one. This one's probably more expensive.
I actually don't like this one.
Yeah, this one's probably the more expensive one. It tastes better. I'll reveal. This is N.
Oh wait, again the bad one is the more expensive one. Yeah. So that one must be the Quaker's one. I think we got Quaker's in kind.
Nice.
It's really my favorite snacks.
Jesus. Huh.
Okay. I guess we're doing potato chips next. So, I wanted to get the same potato chip, but he wanted barbecue. So we got...
Plain is no fun.
We got Ruffles and... What are these called?
No,
baked. Are they baked?
We got Utes.
No, not the brand. Like, what are these?
Muffin. Oh, that's kettle cooked.
Kettle cooked. Kettle cooked. There's noise, it's the kitchen. Thin, kind of crispy. Not as oily as I expected. These ones look more oily and they're ruffled. What did we say, barbecue? Not a huge fan of barbecue, but this one tastes more oily. I think this is the first time I'm trying a barbecue chip.
That one tastes better, but this one's lighter. But this is probably more expensive.
This one like tastes not as good, in my opinion.
No fun. Literally only eats chicken fingers and fries at any restaurant we go to.
That's true. I'm a child.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
I don't know how reputable
I took the
source
I took the sticky note with me.
This is why.
Cape Cod wins. Cape Cod. See?
Alright, let's do this one.
Okay.
barbecue sauces.
Ew. Why did we do barbecue sauce? I don't like barbecue sauce.
You organize this, not me.
I don't like barbecue sauces, so I can't really like be a good contender. This one's so spicy and
This one doesn't move around too much.
it's like, oh, this one like moves together.
It's pretty good. It's got some pepper in it.
This one smells sweet.
They're all gonna smell sweet. This one's pretty good though.
This one tastes like sweet. Okay, this one here looks definitely more thin. It's like more goopy.
Yeah, it tastes like a gross like Tootsie Roll or something.
And this one it does have like pepper flakes in it.
That one tastes better.
This one does?
Yeah.
I haven't tried it yet. It smells less spicy. I like this one a little better.
Yeah, plus like this one tastes like goop. That one like tastes like sauce.
Yeah, this one seems more like sauce-like and it has pepper flakes, whereas the other one just looks like yeah, it feels like it looks processed.
This is N.
Oh, so yes, we were right.
Yeah.
So this one's the more expensive one. Lift. We have 3 items left. Just waiting on George.
Doesn't have to work or anything.
So the next item is tomato soup. Can't really show you, but here we go. One is the panera soup, and I added everything but the bagel because I had some of this yesterday. And then the other one is Campbell's soup, and I've never had Campbell's, so you can try that first.
You chill. You almost
I didn't. No, I didn't.
She did.
No, I didn't. Oh crap! I need a spoon. Hold on. We'll be back with a
You
spoon.
give me one too? Yeah, here's your soup. Oh yeah, I didn't just almost spill it or anything.
Okay.
That is disgusting.
Is it?
I've never had tomato soup in my life, and that's the last time I will.
This one's good.
Alright, swing it then.
Because I know it's the Panera one because I ate it yesterday.
Alright, well, you totally debunked your whole experiment.
Well, just on the soup. Okay, this one is like much more like drainy and like water. And the thing about this is ideal. It smells like old tomato sauce.
This one's like...
Well, it got cold.
This one just tastes like tomato sauce, and I hate tomato sauce.
This is disgusting. Nobody ever buy Campbell's.
Alright, well...
Okay, this is just, I'm done. This one's the cheaper one.
Here you go.
Hold on, let me put them down so it doesn't. Oops.
Solid?
Yeah.
Bugging.
I'll clean that up after. Okay. I spilled some soup.
Tomato soup on the wood floor?
All clean.
Oh.
Yeah, I feel like this is like a high school experiment.
Yeah. I'm not writing.
Do I need it? I'll make the trifle board.
I don't know what to tell you. Unless you get me another spoon. I eat them like a puppy.
So, this is the first ranch. There we go, now you can see it.
This is this one. You can't see it because the bowl's white as well.
Well, here's the other one.
Exquisite.
Yes, ignore the tomato sauce.
Just a real work of art.
Okay, so George's has like more like little dots, so I'm assuming like pepper things in it, and mine does not. So
It's
we're
got
gonna
some garlic.
it's like kind of
Yeah, that's
it's like a sauce.
Keep putting your finger in there. Swing it.
Okay. Did you get tomato sauce all over it? No. Okay, this one's like a little thicker.
This one's pretty good. Tastes a little bit more creamier because there's.
Does it taste creamier?
Yeah, there's no garlic, but I like both of them.
Which one would you say is the more expensive one?
Probably the one you have.
That's the one I was gonna go with.
No. This
No,
one.
we're both wrong. That's the more expensive one. I think one of these is the Target brand, one of them is Ken's. So we got 2 types of peanut butter. One is this one.
The other is
and the
this
other
droopy one.
The other one looks like this.
I think there's already a clear answer of which one is which. One's processed, one's not.
One is very processed, obviously, and the other one is very natural, but you know, do it for the taste test. I definitely put too much on this bowl.
Don't kid yourself, you're eating it all.
I can't eat a lot of peanut butter.
Alright, well, this one's amazing.
Is it that good?
Yeah.
Use the other side of the spoon. This is literally how much I'm trying.
I feel like Jim on The Office. I'm just like staring off into space.
This one is
such a stupid. I think this is the natural one.
I've never watched The Office, so I don't get that reference. I've never watched it. Okay, this one's like grainy and like
I don't know why
oily.
anyone watches this channel.
Are you
I'm
sure?
kidding. Am I sure that this is the processed one?
No, like, are you sure this one's good, or am I like falling
Yeah,
into a trap?
I have it every day.
Ew.
Oh yeah.
Ew, this one's gross. There's like no salt. Ew. I don't like it.
Well, I would say this one's more expensive.
Oh yeah?
But that one tastes better though.
What? No, this one's gross.
It's not gross, it's amazing, guys. She just has no taste buds. Only runs on junk food. If she doesn't eat it, then she gets hives.
We were not kidding. I literally live on chicken fingers.
And you know what you pay for?
Okay, wait, so.
It pays more to be healthy.
Okay, obviously the gross natural one is more expensive.
We out.
I didn't even keep track of how many I got right and wrong. So I'll put like a little tally over here at the end of who won. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna finish the rest of the snacks now. Do you mind? Well, thank you all for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you like generic or the name brand better. And I now have to clean up this mess. So thank you all. Like and subscribe down below.